Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I don't know if you can hear me. I'm in a train station, so I'm not. Anyway, I'm the only one here, so maybe it's fine. I'm in a train station going to a town called Kakord, and there's no train today for some reason. I think they're fixing the rail line, so we're having to take a bus. But there's a bus provided. It's just at the front of the train station. So I'm just waiting for the next 20 minutes to hop on the bus, then to take me to Edinburgh. From Edinburgh, I'll keep going to where I'm going. So that's all I'm all about today.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think it's easy, yeah, falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy, oh no, but I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they go slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. But I'm not done with you. But I'm not done with you. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love.
That was the bus that brought us. That's the train station in Edinburgh, Waverley. So I'm just going to the train now.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. So you wanna talk again?
I'm sweating. I'm the only one in the train. There's nobody. I'm the only one in the train. I'm sweating. I'm in Edinburgh now. Edinburgh Waverley, and I'm going to Glenrothes. So I'm running. I hope everything I'm going for is. See, I just got into the train, and 2 minutes later the train is moving. Can you see? So yes, let's go. How are you guys doing? It's been ages. I was trying to go, I got confused. There was one I was supposed to enter. It's saying Glenrothes, and this one is saying Glenrothes on Tottenham. This is the particular one I'm going. So the one I was going to, platform 1, is 7 minutes late. It's going to arrive 7 minutes after this one, and I want to catch the quickest bus bus, the quickest train, because I have appointments. I have to even take taxi, you know. So I had to run. I kept going back and forth because my map, Google Map is saying platform 2, but I went to, but on the map, on the board is saying platform 1. So I went to platform 1. That was where I wasted a lot of time. But anyway, we're fine. I'm in the train. I'm on my way. So yeah, today is going to be very busy. I'm going to be, the time I'm going to be there for the whole day, because I've got appointment at different times. I'm going to be giving you all the days to why I'm doing all this. That's why I've been so stressed these days, but we're fine. We're still pushing. What do I gain if I don't hustle? So yes, I'm going to be, because I've got appointments. I've got 6 appointments, and those 6 appointments are at different times. So some I have to go to with taxi, some I have to use the train, some I have to use the bus because it's back and forth. But we're fine. I've got my water in my bag. I've got my small bag with me with nothing much inside. Please, those of you that are still doing makeup with this our face mask policy, how are you guys coping? I don't want to show you my face mask, but it's yucky. Look at, that's all my foundation is like that all the time, but I cannot still, like, I'll still feel like doing makeup. I'll do makeup. Look at my jacket. This jacket is pure white. Look at my jacket.
This is Haymarket. This train is for Glenrothes with Thornton. This train will call at South Gyle, Dalmeny, North Queensferry, Inverkeithing, Dalgety Bay, Aberdour, Burnt Island, Kinghorn, Kirkcaldy, and Glenrothes with Thornton. The next stop is South Gyle.
We're in Haymarket. Come with me on train, empty train. I think the other coaches are full, but I don't know why this place is empty. It's good. I'm enjoying it. I like it. My view from here. This is the Fort Bridge. This one.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within.
I think I was the only one on this train. The only one, because this is the last place. And I'm the only one that came out. Can you imagine? I have to go and look for taxi. I don't know how I'm going to get taxi. Oh my god, I don't understand this place. Behind the trees, I don't know if you can see it. There's a camping site here. Since I got into the bus that brought us, because the train was not working, the bus that brought us from my place to Edinburgh, I was able to edit one of my videos that should go live tomorrow, Sunday. So yes, that's how it is. I hope you're having a good day. Keep pushing, you'll be fine. I'll see you later.